What a jerk. You know what? I started this broadcast, and I can finish it without you. Can you hear me? No.
Hello?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Okay. Can you hear us, Ben?
Yeah.
All right, so I started working on the quiz. Wasn't able to finish it, but I got to question 13.
You mean you already worked once?
What?
You already finished the quiz by yourself?
No, I didn't. I wasn't able to finish it. I got more than halfway though.
Oh.
I got to question 13 out of 21.
Why is so many?
I think just because the reading was really long. They're not too bad though. Like up to 13 was really easy. No math involved. You just do answer the question.
Okay, number 3. Which hypothesis involves equality? It's the null, right?
Yes. The answer is A, null. Who's writing this? Who's gonna put that in the comments? In case
Okay, I'll write. Somebody else. Right, someone else read.
No.
Oh no! That's me.
All right. Question 4. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
I think it's first one, isn't it?
That's what I think, and I'm pretty positive that is correct.
It's new.
No.
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 Happy.
All right, we're good to move on.
I don't like it, but the game she's playing.
All right, 4 no. Okay, sweet.
Papa.
Or 5, which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test?
B, right?
B like boy.
False.
Wait.
The two-tailed is the not equal sign.
Oh, yes.
Could be either one, or it could be either the high end or the low end. So it has 2 tails.
C.
Papa.
Oh, quick.
Like cat.
I'm a mama.
What was that? Yeah, C as in cat.
Yes.
Papa.
All right. Question 6. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test?
Happy.
A, right?
Yes.
Happy.
Hey. Reach.
Hi, baby.
Yeah, it's A.
Downtown catcher.
What?
Okay.
Is that what you put, Kevin?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
7 is, I think, is B, right? The right tail test.
No, it's just the opposite.
B like boy.
Boy, yes.
Yes, boy. All right. Which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis?
Oh, that makes me sad. Yeah. He's not just. It's here. Yeah.
is B.
No, it's actually I put A. In the reading, it talks about how if the P is low, you reject the null. So if the P, what is it called? The P value is lower than the alpha or the level of significance. If it's lower, then you
Reject.
yes. If you do not reject it, that means that it's higher. So in failing to reject, it's kind of a weird wording. If failing to reject would be that the p-value is higher than the level of significance.
Yes, that's A.
He had a tumor removed where they could just but it was cancerous.
Okay.
So he's been working with
Question
surgeon
9.
and
So the 9 would be boy.
it's finally been decided that they
Yeah.
are gonna go in and remove all the cancer.
Boy.
At first, the surgeon here said, let's just
Okay.
wait for it to go back. And then we'll do it.
Kyrie, I can't hold you right now.
But the surgeon in
All right,
Denver
I'll
was
hold you
like,
for a little
"Well, I
bit."
think it should come out now." So they went back and talked to the surgeon.
Hello.
And
So can you wave?
all of my
Can you wave?
associates will get together and we'll maybe decided to go ahead and do it. So they have to kind of.
She's waving on her own now, but you can't really see it. Here, look, there you are.
And then go through right.
Okay.
through.
I don't think I can get the camera to be that low, but that's okay.
Baby.
All right.
I have a baby here too.
Yeah.
Just the operation, just.
Kyrie, look at-
just-
So number one, Joe is.
Here, let me click on his screen, and then you can see the other baby. Look.
Hello.
Yeah.
Well, I know, you know,
Good job.
I've known for several years.
Alrighty.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So
Now we're on 10.
10.
All right, so an insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. They're concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use this information for the next 2 questions. So question 10, which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis?
Oh, yeah, I'd rather that.
You weren't wrong. Yes, you did. You forgot. I told you. You just forgot. She told you that he was a.
It is A, right?
What you said.
No. So that's
Oh, we did.
A is the null hypothesis.
Uh-huh.
So in this one, what you got to
B?
focus on, no. Normally it would be, but because they are saying, or they believe that the true mean is actually higher than that, it's actually C, the average claim amount is greater than 1,500. Because they have reason to believe that it is higher and not just,
They believe it's they're concerned that means actually higher than this. So
you know,
okay, they believe in higher.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that's right. They believe in higher. So,
Yeah. So it's greater than 1,500, so C.
Is she on his lap? Yeah. He's trying to do school? What? He's trying to do school? Is she on?
question 11. Which of the following would be appropriate now hypothesis? Is A, right?
Hypothesis.
A?
Yeah, that one's A.
Is A. Okay.
Correct.
And
12.
Oh, 12, vamos.
No, Jill. She said, I'm pretty sure I told my dad. Oh, well, now he knows.
All right. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption?
He's probably right.
Yeah,
sample is normal.
I think yes, because the sample's over 30, and it said that's what was being.
Again.
That's what I
Oh,
put.
Lord, that's
Put A.
awful.
Okay. Yeah.
feel so left out of the baby club.
Well, get working on it, Betsy. If you feel bad about it, then make it happen.
All right.
If not, then don't worry about it.
Nothing to.
Alrighty. Question 13. What theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question?
Is law of a large numbers?
Oh,
I believe it's the central limit theorem. What?
yeah. But he's not, didn't know.
So let's see. Let me pull up my notes really quick.
I agree.
So the law of large numbers means the sample mean close, the larger sample mean close to the population mean, right?
Right, that's the large number, but the central limit
This
is that
is the shape.
right. It will follow a normal distribution if the data is drawn from a big
Is
enough.
large enough, yeah.
So
So
that's the central limit.
it's a central limit. It's the shape. Okay.
Central limit is B.
Okay.
I'm taking out my ear, but that's not very nice.
What are you doing?
All right, perfect. Grandpa to save the day. Alrighty. Okay. Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson? It's the
B is
it's
four.
A. Pretty sure no that the Z is the Z score.
Right, but
The test statistic is the X.
I was
Positive.
in step 4 in the reading. It says give the test statistic on its value, and then it shows Z equals negative 6.669. I thought that that's what it was called.
Try it again.
I mean, I know it's the Z score, but I thought it could also be called the
Was
test.
that just to get the Z score so you could let's see. Where's that at? Like what's
Step
the
4.
huh?
Step 4. I mean, it's possible I'm super confused.
So to find the p-value, we first calculate the number of standard deviations that X is away from the assumed value of true mean. So yeah, so the X is your statistic. To figure out the p-value, you have to find out how many standard deviations that is, which is your Z score. So
well,
if
why
you look, if
the
you
test statistic and then show the Z score?
what?
Why does it say give the test statistic and then show the Z score, right? It says give like
Things like that.
I'm not even seeing the statistic on there. Is it the step 4 in like the lesson outcome, like the first step 4?
no.
I will show my screen really quick and see if we can.
Oh, it's lower. Kevin, it's
All right, I want to just share my screen. All right, so what I'm looking at right here. Crap, where'd it go? I lost. Oh, okay. Wait. Okay, test statistic. Is it this one right here?
Mm-hmm.
4.2.
no, that's not what the one I was looking at, but I get what you mean.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, I know what you mean.
Yeah, because remember we were looking. It was in the. I think it was the last lesson we were talking. Well, not like the lesson, but the parameter and the statistic. The parameter is like the true but often unknown like thing that you're looking for, like in the population, and the statistic is what you actually observe, which is like this, your sample, which is the X. I'm pretty sure, but I guess we'll find out.
In just a second.
Yeah.
Oh, you want the other one.
So I'm gonna try that, and we'll see what happens.
Okay.
All right, let me stop sharing screen so we don't have infinite numbers of stuff going.
Okay.
All right, so 15. So the information, the historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is $150 with standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. Hypothesis test with the hypothesis, null hypothesis, which is equal to 150, and the alternative is that is less than 150. She'll use a level of significance of alpha equals 0.05. She then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes X over score equals $144. So what is the z-score associated with this test? Fantastic. Z-scores. Alright, so we got 144 minus the 150 over 40.
你别动，你把它弄走。
Hey, none of that, Lee. Just kidding. 36.
把它弄走，快快快！什么？来，快找妈妈给你拿一个。快去快去！
没了，你都吃完了？啊？ Good job.
Okay.
So the z-score I got 0.9, negative 0.9.
Me too.
Betsy?
I haven't done it.
Plus negative 0.92.
Do you know how to do it?
I think so. It's just, I have to find the calculator.
Yeah.
I don't
Just
have
follow
a calculator.
the formula. So
Yeah. Do you want me to show you what I did just so you can see really quick? Or
Yeah.
you think you got it? Okay. All right. Let's just make this full screen. All right. Whoa, that's not good. Let's not do that. Stop.
oh,
I think
I messed up. I messed up, team. I messed up, team. Okay.
Oh, so sorry.
Wait, I don't need to screen share because I did it on paper. Man, I'm not doing so hot right now, guys.
But you have to round it to 3 decimals.
So that's what I did. It's pretty simplified.
Oh, you didn't even
Is
use
it? I mean, I use it to do some of the calculations, and I can't. It's really blurry. Can you see that? Is it really blurry on your end?
Yeah, I can see it.
Oh, I can't. But you do the 140. You do the 144 minus the 150,
Right.
which is negative 6.
Okay,
You do that over. Okay. Got it.
Yeah. But
I did find someone.
I just did it wrong. But it's just negative 0.9. There aren't any more numbers.
What?
It's just negative 0.9, and that's it.
Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, because it turned out it was negative 89999. So you round it up just negative 0.9.
When I talk to her, I'll ask her all of that.
Okay. All right, 16. What is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question? So this one we need the applet, which is there. I'll link to that at the top. Oh, wait, I favored that. Okay. All right, so then for this, put in negative 0.9 as the z-score. And then we're looking for.
I know. What do you do? It just comes off.
What?
0.368.
You should be familiar with this by now. That it says this.
No,
We're getting.
no, it's I think we're looking for everything that's below it, right?
Yeah, decrease. She thought it was decrease, so.
Yeah, so we're looking for anything as extreme or more extreme than what she found. So we're looking for the stuff on the left side of the graph. So I got 0.184.
0.184.
Is that what you got?
Yeah.
So
That sounds right to me.
it's 0.184, right, Kevin?
Yeah, that's what I got.
Okay. I didn't open my app with, so.
Really quick.
I
Can you see
I know
that?
you just look at the left hand side, yes.
And then it is just left hand. Okay,
Yes.
cool. Alrighty.
17.
What inference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem? So in this one, we would fail to reject the null hypothesis because it is the probability
Feel.
is high. The p-score is higher than the level of significance.
Right.
So when it's higher, you do not reject the hypothesis.
Yeah, you fail to reject, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, well,
Cool. The conclusion for this problem: we have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. Insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150. I'm pretty sure that's C.
C, yes.
I was just waiting for you to finish reading it, Kevin.
Oh, sorry. All right, good. Is somebody vacuuming?
No, but the
All
other
right.
guys are.
Question 19.
19.
There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
Type 1, right?
Yeah.
I think so. Let me just double check. I'm pretty sure that's what it is too. I just want to double check, unless somebody else can double check.
Yeah.
One error is when you reject it, but it's true. Okay, so yeah, type 1.
Yeah.
Question 20. A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of alpha equals 0.05, he will use a alpha equals 0.01. Which of the following will be true?
This is the smaller, right? Lower.
Yeah, it's lower, so I'm trying to remember.
1. Lower is supposed to reject.
Yeah, but so this one they're lowering it, so I'm pretty sure that I'm trying to remember if it will increase the type 1 error or if it will increase the type 2 error. I don't remember.
It's opposite, right? It's lower than.
Okay, so yeah, it increases the probability of a type 2 error will increase. Yeah, so it's B.
Increase the type 2?
Yeah. Yeah, that makes sense. For some reason it wasn't making sense in my head, but now it does. We good. All right. And question 21. If A equals 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error. Oh, I don't remember how to do that.
Relating the type 1 error.
You guys hear that?
Which one? I don't know. I don't remember the video they.
I can't tell if that's what I'm hearing or something else.
Probably what it is.
But
It
it's like
was
super loud.
feedback. It was feedback.
What?
It's feedback. Just one person mute.
I don't know.
I can't hear. Daddy, you're almost done. I think that's it.
If you're committing a type 1 error means what?
Yes, I probably told you. So a lot to do. Oh, I just need to, yeah.
All right. I couldn't hear what was going on. What did you say, Betsy?
I'm just looking over the type 1 and type 2 again.
Oh, no. Yeah, that was fun.
Do we use the normal probability applet on this?
I get to have the data myself to get my stuff done.
It takes a lot of fiction.
Is 0.01? I don't know. Point.
Oh, the Monday. The Monday. And there was
I'm not sure. Yeah, it's not bad. It's something else bad, so you can keep going.
So I don't know. We just put the 0.05 in the applet.
Yeah. Look. Hold on. Let me share my screen with you really quick. Look at this. Value of A.
I know, but I think that's the worry I would have. I would be like going to the dentist. And I'm a doctor. I knew you were going to say that.
Is somebody vacuuming over there? Because there's like a background noise. I can't hear what anyone is saying.
Yeah, the neighbors mow the yard. Sorry.
Man, those darn neighbors.
Yeah, I just I closed the window.
Okay, so look right here in the reading it says the value of
Yeah.
so
So I was kind of thinking about maybe that being the right thing, but I wasn't 100% sure, and I didn't want to sound like a dummy, so I didn't say it. But I think that makes sense. We can try it though.
Yeah, let's try it.
All right, so 21, we'll put 0.05. All right, cool.
I can,
Okay, let's see.
or you
Betsy, you want to take the plunge, Betsy?
sure.
Okay.
I'll be the one to re-enter everything.
That's good, because I hate to re-enter stuff.
Let me go find the loser. 14.
Although the last time,
We got 14 wrong. That's it.
that's it. Ooh, that's pretty good.
14, wrong?
Dang it, I was wrong.
Huh, interesting. Oh, interesting.
Where's your hair?
I'm just kidding. I don't.
What is the test statistic?
They know.
Let's see if we can find the test.
You look in the reading.
Where's your tummy?
No, Juju.
Oh, watch the baby tummy. Oh, no, you don't want to watch your baby tummy? You have to watch your baby tummy tonight.
Oh yeah, it says right there underneath the equation where Z is the test statistic.
Thank you.
Where's your knee?
You didn't point that out to me though.
I tried, but I
Come
thought
on.
you were right, so I didn't hide it.
Oh man, Betsy, don't listen to me ever again.
That's the only one get wrong.
Yeah.
All right, I'm submitting, and then I can just go down with your. If you don't want to look at the thing, I can just tell you what's what.
Yeah, I got 100.
Yeah, we did it, guys.
Yay.
Yes.
I feel like this was easier without Ben. I don't know what happened, but
I hope it's
just kidding.
recording all the way to the
Just kidding.
Hey, you are
All right.
recording. You will hear it.
Oh, I know. I'm excited for him to hear it. All right, well, I'll go ahead and stop the broadcast now, and then we can just go over it.
So you will submit, you will post the
The link, yeah.
Evan, thank you so much.
Yeah, no problem.